Welcome to the Schluter Systems Tips and Tricks video series. When installing the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane, there are two options for sealing seams between adjacent sheets. Today we'll describe and demonstrate these options. Waterproof integrity is maintained at joints using a 2-inch wide overlap in conjunction with unmodified thin-set mortar. For example, KERDI sheets may be joined using a lap seam. This approach allows you to combine membrane installation and joint sealing in one step. Alternatively, KERDI sheets may be butted and covered with Schluter KERDI band waterproofing strips. Since KERDI band is 1/2 the thickness of the KERDI membrane, buildup at seams is minimized using this method. Here we demonstrate a lap seam. Make sure that the second sheet of KERDI membrane overlaps the first by at least 2 inches. Marking the first sheet 2 inches from the edge is a helpful way to ensure that this is accomplished. Here we demonstrate a KERDI band seam. The 5-inch wide band is centered over the joint to provide the required 2-inch overlap with a little room for error. Hope this tip helps you the next time you install the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane. Thanks for joining us today.